as assessors. Let us go through each task as to why this is a very important role as a teacher. Design. So since we have varied types of learners, therefore it is very advisable to adjust or design assessments that could assess all the learners. So teachers design assessments to align with the curriculum goals and learning outcomes. This ensures that the evaluation method accurately measure what the students are expected to learn and identify areas needing improvement. So teachers use assessments to track student progress and evaluate the effectiveness of instruction. So by analyzing results, they can adjust teaching strategies to better meet the needs of the students. So we will then use the result for the next steps. Example, if you have favorable result, then you will proceed with the next topic. If it is unfavorable, it means that our teaching strategies may be ineffective or we will need further elaboration on the topic. Then the teachers provide the feedback and assessment results to the students and stakeholders. This feedback helps the student understand their strengths and areas of improvement and inform parents and administrator about the student performance. So let me provide you a concrete example of the assessment of the students and how it could help us further with the steps needed. So as the school testing coordinator of the school, I am in charge for the consolidating and the analyzing of the result. So here in the screen, this is the first periodical test result wherein all of the sections are present, and here we can see what subject is the least and which subjects have the highest MPS or mean percentage scores. This is the second periodical test results, the third periodical test result, and lastly the fourth periodical test result. Now every quarter, I create a data analysis. So this data analysis you see in the screen is the data analysis for the 4 quarters already. So as we can see, example, math is constantly at the bottom. Therefore, from this feedback or from this result, we then created a remedial program also aligned with the DepEd program that is intended for students to further develop their mathematical skills. So by assessing the students, we can identify which part should we help them further and which part should we improve further.